The Flaring 155 amp 3-in-1 Welder FM155 is a versatile machine that combines MIG, stick, and Lift TIG welding capabilities, making it suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. With a maximum output of 155 amperes, this welder can handle mild steel plates up to 4 millimeters thick, providing robust performance for various welding tasks. The large LED digital display ensures clear visibility and easy adjustments of current and voltage, enhancing the user's control and efficiency during operations. Weighing only 12 pounds, the welder is lightweight and portable, allowing for easy transportation and use in different locations. This welding machine is ideal for beginners and experienced users alike, catering to home users, farmers, DIY enthusiasts, and small project welders. Included accessories such as the MIG welding torch and flux cord wire make it ready to use right out of the box, adding to its convenience and value.